was my stomach. Hello. Shh. Hello, good morning. It's Bo. I am off to a doctor's appointment in a little bit, in like 10 minutes, but I had a parcel through the door from my friend Olivia, who I love very dearly, and she said that I can't open it unless I film an unboxing. So here I am with my parcel. So I do know that it is 2 books, and I know that one, I believe, is for me and Rhea, and then the other one is for everyone, I think. But there's no holes. I didn't rip into any of it. Are you proud of me, Liv? Are you proud of me? Oh my god, my stomach. I'm very hungry. I have just woken up. I haven't had any breakfast yet. I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, so one of them I can see already, and then one of them I can't. So, okay, so the first one is also the first little piece of paper I found. So it says, "This one is for all of you, lots of love, Starlight System." Wow! The Witch's Book of Self-Care. Magical ways to pamper, soothe, and care for your body and spirit. Wow. That is beautiful. Embrace the magic of self-care. Oh wow, look at that colour inside. Okay. Oh my god. Bath bombs, sleep bombs, spiritual beliefs and spells, and that's so cool. Thank you so much. Wow. And then, and then this one is for both Bo and Rhea, since she seems to be interested in Wicca and should have something she can use to learn more about it. Hope you both like it. Love always, Starlight System. Wow. This is the Green Witch. And this one has got like a proper texture. Book ASMR. And so it has lots of. This one is Your Complete Guide to the Natural Magic of Herbs, Flowers, Essential Oils, and more. Thank you so much. Wow. Yeah, like we definitely identify as a green kitchen witch, so we like doing things in nature and that involve natural things, but we also do a lot of cooking magic and tea magic, so we identify as a green kitchen witch. But yeah, look at those 2 beautiful books. Are they by the same person? Yes, they are. They're both by Aaron Murphy Hiscock. Oh yeah, that one literally says author of The Green Witch. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Liv. They are so beautiful. What the hell? They're just beautiful. Thank you so much, Liv. Ow. Okay, I have to go to my doctor's appointment, but I might end up doing a live or something later, or uploading more later, so watch this space, and see you guys later. Bye!